What the hell?
We go.
Right, go. This is ridiculous.
The working day, mind.
Aye, but it's lunchtime, they should all be in their work. Lunchtime, it's middle of the afternoon, 1:45, so they should all be back at work. Lunchtime's finished. 12 till half 12.
Mind. They'll be on holiday.
Well, they shouldn't be on holiday, because I'm on holiday. I can't believe how busy this is.
No.
This is
I don't think the
unbelievable.
roads were a bit quiet with the holidays.
Well, they should be,
Do you want to go up to Cape Newton?
if you want.
Go to Cape Newton.
Aye.
It's me change, yeah.
I've not been up this new bit yet. Well, I was up it when it was the old bit, but they realigned the junction. That junction used to be further back.
But that's not a good junction, is it?
Nah.
That's just about a train sitting there.
Oh, he must be waiting his time, eh? Welcome to Edinburgh, inspiring capital. My testicles. It's a shithole. At least it's dry today,
Yeah, absolutely.
unlike yesterday. Were your balls soaking?
Yeah,
Aye, my balls were a wee bit damp as well yesterday.
taking your lessons, that's me sack put in the weather.
Aye. Michael Fish, I'm going to call you.
The wee James come this way, eh?
Yeah. I used to come back home this way occasionally, just for a change. There we go. Greeted by a changing light. No feet down. So you're looking forward to getting your new waterproofs?
Hope I don't have to take it out of the fucking packet.
Aye, they're good like, eh?
Wee change, eh? You get co-ops, put them on.
See these utility companies that dig up the road like this? They should be forced to re-tarmac the half of the road that they've worked on. It's a big girl, eh?
I totally agree.
You know, they should be forced to re-tarmac the road so there's no patches in it. This is Collington. This wee village used to have great shops. That used to be the bank in there, eh? Used to have great little shops, little sweetie shops and a DVD rental, Blockbusters and that. But now, it's all changed now, eh?
And the postcard used to be there, didn't it?
That's right, it did, aye, right there. Getting right here.
Yeah.
Oh, you just misread for Road. Fuck's sake, man.
Fucking ages since I've been in the town, mind.
I'll give you advance warning. At the mini roundabout ahead, take the first exit. I know the city with the back, like the back of my hand, Alex. I've got to know the city with like the back of my hand for my job.
What's he doing? Overtake him. He's stuck in stationary.
Roadworks.
There's a roadworks.
Roadworks in 200 feet. Look at your ways.
That's not a good place to have me having, you know that. Because you're dropping your head.
Like a nodding dog.
Yeah, aye, man.
Just call you Churchill. Oh, yes.
I've got it on nav 6 as well.
I am thinking of getting one of these wee sat-nav displays for here, eh?
I think it'd be good.
Sat-nav and cruise control, and then that's it. The bike's complete. Dreckhorn Barracks. I've been in there.
It's over.
And I've been in Redford. Been in Redford most though, eh? That's where we used to stay, at Redford, eh? And the billets were fucking boiling. For an old Victorian building, eh?
You're going right here.
No, go aye, take a right, we'll nip onto the bypass. Aye, the billets for an old Victorian building, the billets were like fucking furnaces, eh? Let's see what carnage awaits us on the city bypass. And you can already see it's busy. Look at the brake lights. Fucking wallopers. This knob in front of you sitting on the brake. Walloper.
They haven't a clue.
No, they haven't got a clue. I tell you though, these wallopers must go through some amount of brake pads, eh?
You should wait to talk to you.
No, because my ways are on a separate phone, eh?
That's what it is.
This is absolutely fucking shite, eh?
Nah, that's what you expect of.
A roof box melt. Wandering about.
They never look in their fucking mirrors, you know
Nah.
that?
He's got a 1970s porno moustache. You got your spotties on?
Right. Full Spotify.
Yes, I'm the same.
Trucker seen us.
Found ice, seen us? Dankeschön. He's just fucking changing lane because he's an absolute crackpot. I've got the key, I've got the secret, you fucking banger.
I'm not going to argue with this truck, just in case.
Ah, you've plenty of room, Alec.
You sure when he was moving, he was going to carry on?
Aye,
Across.
he did drift it like Beamer
He's a bit
Sinas.
big to argue, eh?
Aye, I wouldn't mess with
He's
him, eh.
another fucking idiot going to the lift. Seen this.
This is shocking.
Look at your mirrors. This is mental, isn't it?
I was going to say cut off at that junction, but I missed it. Bollocks.
I was actually going to say that to you, but I didn't.
Aye.
What's this Walliper doing on his bike?
He's got panniers on, but there's fucking plenty of room, pal. Christ almighty, you'd get a fucking ambulance down the middle here. Aye, he's coming now, eh?
The handlebars go through it, anything can go through it on a bike.
Correct. My handlebars are wider than yours. Hiya. This is
Indicating
terrible.
left there.
There's another fucking wanker changing lanes.
The reason I fucking seen it is because they were changing lanes.
21 degrees. Yeah.
22.5.
HGV's moved over, good man. I don't like the fact that they trucks and buses now don't have mirrors, because I like to look at them and make sure they can see me,
Oh.
That way you can make eye contact, and you can't do that with a camera. We've lost that other biker,
Stop.
Aye. Don't know where he's got to, Oh, somebody's lost their grill. Looked like a mini grill. Right, come on Mazda features, get round ya tit.
What the fuck?
They're just fucking arseholes, slow as a week in the fucking jail to exit a roundabout. Absolute crackpots. Look at this carnage on the other side heading towards the roundabout again.
I know.
Let's see if it's right past the A68 spot. It is too. Look at that. Look at this rocket. Need to deal with him on the A1. Come on, I don't know what to put my feet down.
I didn't put it in.
Oh, come on, you fucking arse.
Didn't hear that.
I've got the
put my seat
fucking
down last night.
message. Fucking dilly-dally in the cunt. He's too busy looking down at his fucking passenger seat. He's bet he's on his phone.
Get some fresh air in this.
Yes. I think I'll open the window on my hat as well. Get some air in.
What?
It's quite handy that your hat's got a wee window that you can open,
No. I've got a wee vent in my chin, but I can't get open.
I'll leave the wee vent in my chin shut so that the wind doesn't interfere with the mic, There's a good coastline. Beautiful,
Gorgeous, isn't it? Caravans are going for fuck all now, you know that?
What's going for fuck all?
Caravans.
Oh, you still into
Well,
these
literally.
caravans?
9 grand. Rent it.
Oh, that water's lovely,
Why?
I'm saying I can hardly see the screen on my phone with the sat-nav on it. It's because I've got my sun visor down,
You talk about fucking me.
I know. I think the two years were as thick as mince. Look to the left, look at that, the waves just crashing in, And that's us into the Scottish borders. Welcome to the Scottish borders. Hi there. Smell that fucking rotten egg, that's coming out that car in front.
Look,
Aye. It's a catalytic converter, it's humming.
it wasn't fucking me.
No, it wasn't you. Arthur, my fat cat, he was farting like fuck the other day there, and it was absolutely stinking. I walked into the living room and I said to the wife, I says, you been farting? She went, no, it's Arthur. And it was Arthur because he fucking farted upstairs and it smelt the same, I don't know what he had ate, but he was farting like a trumpet.
He's a big boy, though, eh?
He's a very big boy. Cracking, eh? What a view. Wee boat out there.
Want to stop at the lay-by?
Aye, get some leg stretching going.
Get some juice in us.
Aye, and get some juice, aye. That's cracking, eh? What a view. Look at it. That's cracking, eh? Right, time for a drink, I think.